Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from our English speaking skills classes, so we are going to learn about the weather. Like how do we have conversations with regard to weather. So what is weather children? So weather is a day-to-day changing climatical condition. No. So like what we need first, we need to know the words which are related to weather. No. So useful vocabulary. That is, if you want to speak about the weather, first you have to learn the words. You have to know the words which are related to weather. No. See here. So I have given you some like temperature, thunder, storm, cloudy, rain, snow, warm, windy, rainfall, rainy, snow flare, sunny, sunshine, wind, playground, raincoat. Okay, so these are all words are related to weather. So here I have also given you a word playground, raincoat. No, why I have given you? Because in a sunny weather conditions, we would like to play in the playground. Now, when you have a bright sunlight, then we prefer to play in the playground outside the house. No, when rain comes, we will use the raincoat. We'll wear a raincoat to go out. So, that is why I have given you these words also. So that when we talk to others about the weather conditions, so you can also use these words according to the situation. Okay children, now let us look like how can we start a casual conversation, casual talk. Like how can we start a casual talk with regard to weather? See, asking about the weather is a common way to start a casual conversation. So if you this is again one very easiest way. If you want to talk to someone, so you have to start a talk. No, you have to start. You have to talk about something. So then what will be the easiest easiest topic? Then it is nothing about the weather. Asking about the weather. So it is a common way to start a casual conversation. So for example, I have given you some questions here. Isn't it a beautiful day? Isn't it a beautiful day? So will it be sunny all day? So suppose if you are having sun, so we are trying to ask the other person that will it be sunny all day or will it be hot all day? Okay. And how cold it is outside. If you are talking in the winters, no, in the winters, then you can have a question like this. How cold it is outside. Then is it going to be cold all week? Again, this is another type of question. Okay. So here again in the rainy season, can you believe all this rain? So if you are having so much of heavy rain, sometimes it is like unbelievable. If you have a very heavy rain, then you can start your conversation with the other person in this way. Can you believe that this much rain is coming? Okay. So can you believe all this rain? Yes. So will it ever stop raining? Will it ever stop raining? It is continuously we are having the rainfall. Is it going to stop or not? Okay. So will it ever stop raining? So these are some questions which are related to the weather in different weather conditions. For in a sunny day, like in summers, in winters, in rainy days. Okay children, so what I am trying to tell you is, so if you want to start a talk with some other person, so you can have this topic also. In the sense, you can take weather as a topic and start a talk. Okay children, now so again is here we will see conversations on weather, like how can we have a conversation. Conversation is nothing but talking to others. No, if two people or more than two or three people we are talking together, then we call it as a conversation. No, so here we are talking about weather. Our topic is what? Weather. Like how we can talk. Okay, so what's the weather today? What's the weather today? If you are asking the question, or if somebody is asking you the question, what's the weather today? Then how must be our answer? It's sunny, rainy, or cloudy, windy today. Because according to that particular day, if the day is hot with much of sun heat, then you can say it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. If there is much rain in that day, you can say it's a rainy day. Okay. Or it's rainy today. That way also is correct. Or you can say it's a rainy day, cloudy. If you are having the sky covered with full clouds, then you can say it's a cloudy day. Okay. And if you are having much air, that is wind. No, you are having much air and then the trees are moving for the air shaking, then you can say windy. It's windy today. Okay, children. So, in this way, you can answer. And if you want to ask the other person a question about weather, then this question also will fit. Like, what kind of weather do you like? What kind of weather do you like? Okay, then the answer may be I like cloudy weather. It depends. No, it depends. Somebody likes cloudy weather, somebody likes sunny, somebody windy, somebody rainy. No. So, according to the person choice, you will get the answer or you can answer. Okay, children. Another question. Does it always snow in winter here? Does it always snow in winter here? Suppose if you go to Kashmir, Shimla, all these places, okay, north places. So in winter, especially, you can have snow there. You can see the snow there, okay, because they are cold regions. Especially in winters, you have like Darjeeling, all these places. So if you want to ask a question about the snow, then you can ask in this way. Does it always snow in winter here? Then here sometimes, very often, rarely. It snows in winter here. Okay, so if that place has got snow, full of snow in winters, then we can say yes, it is very often it snows in winter. No, if the snow is always there in the winter, then you can say very often. Okay, very frequently. Okay, if it is only sometimes, only if we can see sometimes snow in a particular place, then you can use sometimes it snows in winter here. Then rarely. So suppose in Hyderabad, okay, Chennai. So these regions, they do not get much snow in winters. No. So you can say in that particular places, you can say that no, rarely. It's very rarely. Okay. So it snows in winter here. Depending upon the place where we live, according to that, you can give the answer here. Okay, children? Clear? So again, one more question on weather is, what's your favorite season and why? Suppose if somebody is asking you the question, what's your favorite season and why? So how must be our answer? My favorite season is dash. So I have kept a blank, like according to the choice of yours. My favorite season is like I can say summer because I can. What do you like during this time? That you can mention there, that you can talk there, because I can play outside in the evenings. No, I can play outside in the evenings. So in summers, what happen? Total day will be a hot day, a sunny day. But when comes to the evening after 6 o'clock, No, you can have a cool breeze, that is a cool air where you can play outside the house, which is not possible in the rainy season and also in the winters. No, winter is completely cold. No, evenings we'll get more cold. Again, rainy season, it is not possible for us to play outside in the rainy season. No, because of the rain. So it depends upon the choice. So you can give your answers or you can talk about this. Clear, children? Yes. So again, here I have given you some fill in the blanks, children. Like, yes, children, in this slide, so we are going to complete this conversation in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay. So here, so we have taken three different type of conversations. Okay. And we are going to complete it in the form of fill in the blanks. Now let us start with dialogue 1. See here. So Kelly and Dave. So these both are friends. Okay, they are just talking. Like, how did Kelly start his talk, his conversation? What's it like out? What's it like out? In the sense, so how is the weather? What is the weather like? Okay, then Dave is replying, it's cloudy and dash. It's cloudy and dash. And how many words we are having here? Options: thunder, umbrellas, and raining. So it's cloudy and dash. So when the sky is full of clouds, so what do you get? You get the rain. No. So it's cloudy and raining. Okay. Then Kelly says, yeah, I can hear dash. I can hear dash. Yes, I can hear dash. Here, in the sense, here is nothing but when we hear some sound, then we'll use here. No. So, where does this sound is coming from? It is because of the thunder. Okay. Thunder, like it's a loud noise or loud sound. Okay, along with the lightning in the sky, you get this thunders. No, so especially when it is raining or before raining or after raining. Okay, so thunder. This is okay, children. Now I am glad we both have dash. I am glad we both have umbrellas. No, because it is raining, and if they want to go out also, if they want to reach home also, so both are carrying umbrellas. So Dave is happy. I am glad. I am happy. We both have umbrellas so that we can reach home safely. Okay, children. So this is the second dialogue again. It's a conversation between Dad and Tom. Okay, Dad and Tom. Tom is the name of the boy here. So it's so dash outside. It's so dash outside. So what is that? Snow, cold, and minus options. So it's so cold outside, Dad is telling. And Tom is again telling that, yeah, it's freezing. It's dash 10. It's freezing. Freezing in the sense, like it's just like snow turning into ice. It's freezing. No, everywhere it is snow, ice. Okay, so it's dash 10, minus 10. When the temperature is minus 10, then all the surroundings turn into the ice. Okay, so let's go back inside. So that's why Dad says, let's go back inside. Tom says, but I want to play in the dash. But I want to play in the dash. What is the dash? Snow. I want to play in the snow because so everywhere you can see the snow which is turning as ice. No, it's very cool as ice. So he want to play in the snow. This is one type of conversation, children. The other one, dialogue 3. Again you have Tom and Dad here. So what's your dash kind of weather? What's your dash kind of weather? Options are favorite, warm, and windy. What's your Tom is asking Dad, what's your favorite kind of weather? Then Dad says, sunny, dash weather, of course. Sunny, dash weather, of course. That is warm weather. Warm weather, of course. Sunny day. Okay. And Tom says, I like cool dash weather. I like cool dash weather. So what is remaining with us? Windy. So windy is nothing but when you get have more air in the atmosphere, then we call it as windy. Okay. So, Dad, yeah, I know you like to fly kites. Yes. So, in this weather conditions, so normally we fly kites. We fly kites, especially in the month of, if you see, January, in that time, we fly kites because the weather is windy in that particular months. Okay, children. So like to fly them, I love to fly them. It is not like when dad says you like to fly kites, Tom is replying to dad telling that it is not liking, it is just loving. I love to fly them. So I hope everybody love to fly kites. Yes? Yes, children. So this is how we talk. Okay? Yeah, about the weather. Now here again I have given you some other examples on conversation in the form of question and answers here. Okay? Suppose if you have a question here again. What kind of weather do you like? You have this type of question, what kind of weather do you like? So here the answer will be I like rain because I like to jump in puddles and get wet. See, I like rain because I like to jump in puddles and get wet. See here how the children are jumping in puddles. What is this puddle, children? So when you have rain, what happens? So in some places the water gets stagnant. No, so that the water does not flow and it gets stagnant. No, so that we call it as puddle. Okay, so you like, children like to jump in that water, in that rain water. No, so and the other option is I like sunny because I like to go to the beach. Okay, beach, B-E-A-C-H it is. I like sunny. So if you are having a bright sky, then if it is a sunny day, then you can go out. No, go out to play outside. So here if you are having a beach as it is shown in the picture, so I like to go to the beach. Okay, children, because you have lot of sand there where you can play with the sand. Now, if you like a cold climate, if you like a cold weather, then you can say, I like the cold because I love to ski. I love to ski. S-K-I. We call this as ski. So what is this ski, children? Are you able to see here? No? So where the total place is covered with the snow and this boy is traveling on the cold, on the snow in the cold climate. No? So this material, so which is long and broad, where we are going to balance our feet and then try to uh, travel on the snow, we call this instrument as ski. Skiing, this is one activity. Okay, skiing. Okay, so this happens in the snow areas. Skiing. Okay, just like skating is there, skiing. Okay, I like the cold because I love to ski. Clear, children? So this is how we are going to give our answers now. So let us take one particular weather here. Okay, which type of weather? It is a sunny weather. See in the picture? Sunny weather with bright sun. No. So, what do you like to do in a sunny weather? Then, answers. How must the answers go? I like to go for swimming. So, everybody, we would like to go for swimming in summers. No. So, and we would also like to play outside. It may be any sport or game like cricket, football, volleyball, or any whatever game you like. No, children? So you can just go with that answers. And I like to go to the children's park with my family and play. No. So most of the time summers from morning till evening we spend our time in the inside the house because of the hot sun. So by the time by the evening, in the evening, sorry, So we would like to go out and play. Now sometimes would like to go to the children's park also, where you will be having green grass and some instruments where you can play, okay, swings and all that. So even somebody would like to do that, then you can go with this type of answer. I like to go to the children's park with my family, mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, anybody, okay, and play. I like to walk my dog. So I would like to go for a walk with my dog. Okay, that is also a very good thing. I like to run. I like to run. No, because there is no rain, then there is no disturbance to do an exercise or for running or such type of things. So I like to run. So these are some type of answers, children. So it is your choice again. Then here another question is, do you like rainy weather? Do you like rainy weather? See here I have not come with the previous type of question. If you see, what do you like to do? What do you like to do in a sunny weather? No, here we have asked like this. What do you like? But here, do you like rainy weather? So this is another type of another type of way where you can ask about the weather. Do you like? And we have also learned in our do, does and all do forms, no, like where we have to use do for yes or no questions. So if the answer is yes, then you can say yes, I do like rainy weather because I feel happy when it rains. No. So if the answer is no, no, I don't like. Or you can also say no, I don't like rainy season. I don't like to stay inside. Okay, because if rain is there outside, then we have to stay inside, obviously. So I don't like to stay inside. Or if you like staying inside and watching the rain outside, then also you can use this sentence. Yes, I do. I do like rainy weather because I like to stay inside. Okay. Then I like to walk in the rain. See here. Carrying umbrellas? No. Most of you like to walk in the rain. But mom and dad are not going to allow you. No, children? Yes. So I like to walk in the rain. I like to drink hot soup. So as in summers, we would like to have cold beverages, that is cold drinks, cool drinks, juices, milkshakes, which are cool. In rainy season or rainy weather, rainy day, we would like to have something hot. No, hot pizza, hot burger, hot Maggie, no, or hot soup, anything. So that also you can tell. Clear, children? Now, and here we are talking about the windy weather. Windy weather. Windy means where you will have a gentle air, which we call it as breeze. Or sometimes you may have also strong wind. No, heavy air blowing where all the trees here start shaking their branches, leaves and all that. Okay. So if the question is like this, or you would like to ask somebody about this, then you can ask, do you like windy weather? If the answer is yes, yes, I do. If it is no, no, I don't like windy weather. Okay, so then here so many options are there. So according to your choice, you can go with the answers. I like to watch the trees moving and shaking. I like to stay inside because there is much air outside. I like to walk in the wind and experience the air. Okay, and feel the air. Wind is nothing but the moving air. Okay, I like to be outside and play. See here, the girl playing with the air bubbles. No, I like to fly kites. So, in the windy season, so what happens? Windy weather, we love to fly kites because of the air. The kite is going to fly high in the sky. Okay, children. So this is how we are going to talk about the weather. Now I have given you the vocabulary, like the words where we can use in this particular topic. Okay, children, when we talk about weather, what are all the words we can use in this topic is, like I have given you in the beginning, children. See here, all these words. Okay, so you can use them and you can take the help, that is, take the help of these words and start your conversation and finish your conversation. So I hope you have understood, children. So that is all for today. Hope you will be having a good conversation in English with your friends, family members and all that. So take care, stay well and goodbye. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for further information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest